Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how we can make a 3D pie chart in PowerPoint, and this is what it's going to look like. So I have opened this blank PowerPoint slide. First thing I'm going to do is to remove these text boxes and change the background color. For that, go to Design, Format Background, select Gradient Fill, and click on the first stop. Make sure it's at the position 0. Change the color, and I'm changing it by the color code. We don't need these additional tops, so we can click and remove. Select on the second stop, make sure it's at the position 100% and change the color. This is done. Next thing is to create shapes, and for that we will go to Insert, Shapes, and we will draw a circle hollow. We can change width and height to 4 each. Click on Align, Align Center, and Align Middle. Go to Shape Outline and click on No Outline. Now we will change the color of this circle. Select Gradient Fill. Click on the first stop. Make sure it's at position 10, which we can adjust manually. So keep it at 10%. Change the color. Again, I'm pasting the color code. And select on second stop. You can keep it at like 30 or 32% and change the colors. I'll be changing the colors by the color codes, and I'll make sure that all of these color codes are mentioned in the description of this video, so you can go and check it from there. Next, we're going to create another shape, and for that we go to Insert again, Shapes, and this time select Block Arc. Again, we can keep height and width to 4. From Shape Outline, click on No Outline, and we'll change the color. So click Gradient Fill. Keep the first stop to 0% and mention this color. Click on the next stop and move it to 60%, and again change the color. So you can fix it over here like this, or you can even adjust this by clicking on this yellow dot. Next, we're going to turn these shapes into 3D format. Click on the first circle hollow and go to Effects. Under 3D Effects, from bottom bevel, click on the first option. Width we can keep at 6. Height we will increase to, let's say, 19. From material we can select the first standard option, and from lighting we can select the second special and go to 3D rotation. and from presets select on the third one. Now click on the block arc, go to effects, from 3D format select the first bevel option. Width we can keep at 6 and height this time we'll increase it further, so we can keep it at 31. From material we can select the first standard option. From lighting select the second special. Now go to 3D rotation and from presets select the third option. This is done, and now we can adjust this manually and we can place it wherever we want. So let's keep it over here. Next we will create the base. For that go to insert and draw a diamond shape. And shape outline, no outline. And from format shape click gradient fill. Change the first stop to 4%. And we will add one more stop here by double clicking and keep it to 29% or 30% is also fine. Now click on the third stop, keep it at 100% and again change the color. Now right click and send to back. Go to shape format, align center and align middle. Now let's adjust the height and width, so we can keep the height to, let's say, 4.6 and width to 8, and let's increase the scale height to, let's say, 115 and width to 200. Again go to align center and align middle. Now click on the hollow circle and press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and go to effects, soft edges and keep it at 9%. Change the color to solid fill black. Go back to effects, 3D format. Height we can keep at 6, width we can keep at 6 and height will reduce to 0. Now go to 3D rotation and make sure that this option is selected. Now we want to keep it under the first hollow circle so that it creates an effect of a shadow, and if we right click and send to back, it will actually go below this the base. Therefore what we'll do is to select the first hollow circle and bring to front, and likewise the block arc click on that and into front, and now adjust the shadow. This looks better. Next we will add some text to it and go to insert and create a text box. Target achieved. Give it white color and maybe make it bold. And now go to text options and then go to text effects, PD format. From lighting, click on the first neutral. Now go to 3D rotation. From presets, select this third option and place it over here. We can increase the size of the text. Okay, now click it again and press Ctrl D to create a copy and change the text and place it in the middle. Next, go to insert again and create a line. And then give it a white color. Insert, create a text box again. Place it on the top. So our 3D pie chart is almost done. Finally we will add some animation to this, and for that we'll go to animations tab and enable the animation pane. Click on the hollow circle, add animations, more entrance effects, and under moderate click on basic zoom. Now click on the block arc, add animation, and we can give it a wipe effect, and make sure that from here after previous option is selected. Now click on the text, add animation again, and select basic zoom. Again, make sure that after previous is selected, and from effects option you can select this one. Click on the line, again add animation and select stretch, and from effect option you can select bottom. Again, make sure that after previous is selected, and finally select the last text, and we can give it a fly in effect, and from effect option we can click from top. Again, make sure after previous is selected. This is how it's going to look like. I'm sure you liked it. If you want more of these videos, keep watching. Thank you so much.